Hey there! Welcome back! We made it through the last video. Everything's set and we're back. Let's design something for my website. I have this special offer going on where users can get flat 20% off on all orders. But it doesn't seem to be easily visible for users. It needs to be more prominent in the website. What's the solution? I need a visible, effective timer to create urgency. I like this floating one, but it should adapt for mobile. I'll choose this one and adjust the sizing. I'm naming it Sale Timer 25. Meanwhile, let's look over the website's format. I'll share customization settings soon, but let's dive in. This doesn't look branded. I need to change it. First, let's update the color. Even if you're not into designing, start by identifying the current color, then copy it. You can use Color Picker as well. First, change the background color. I'll use the website's accent color. Should we keep CTA white? It might feel too subtle. Black might be more effective. What's on offer? It's a 20% discount. Let's enhance its visibility. Let's copy this again. Let me check. Yes. What do I have here? I can name it. I'd like to call it Sale Timer Main. For any future edits, I'll label it Offer, then it's my timer. Yeah, this seems right. I just want to center it, that's all. And yes, it looks good. The offer text is looking too big. I think this design needs an update. It's a bit much for me. I'll also notice this in the design. It will be get flat 20% off all orders. It's too large. I'll reduce the size. You can use presets or adjust manually. I prefer presets, so I'll stick with them. I'll also adjust the timer. Set it for August 10th, 2025. First, select the timer and input the date, August 10th at 12 p.m. IST, noon. I'll choose one. This works, and I don't want any changes. But if you want, you can modify the color and text sizes. If you like, you can use this as it is. It looks fine to me, no changes needed. Just to note, I'd like to reduce the height. Let's see how it appears on mobile. It's okay. Black on white is chosen because it's easier to view on mobile. Heading is too large. I'll adjust it to a more manageable size. This seems right. The height need to be reduced more. I'll reduce the bottom to 0. I want them side by side. Let's try it this way. Check the layers. This looks good. How about the width? The width, okay, it's related to the border. It's not working. Let's remove the border and check the width. It's 100%, which is fine. I won't change it, just adjust the exact size to fit more content side by side. This works for me. I'll also reduce this size so it fits side by side. Yes, it's better now. Let's make it live. That's all I needed. I need to act quickly. I enjoy experimenting, but let's finalize with a live version. It's looking good now. In the next one, no major changes, but maybe tweak the vibe. Also, less padding would be nice. It's really big now, but it's okay for now. The speed, too. The speed could be reduced. Check for padding. No, there's padding. Maybe adjust the line height slightly. Let's aim for 0. Great. This looks right. This isn't a stack. Sorry, this one is. Line horizontally centered. Yes, we're almost done. Nearly there. Hold on. This is good. Now let's publish. Let's go ahead. It's designed and ready to go live. In the next video, I'll guide you on publishing and personalizing based on traffic. See you next time. Goodbye.